I'm Ed Walters, and I'm here to introduce Forecite from Fastcase. Fastcase is all about smarter legal research tools. Tools that help you do your work faster, smarter, and more productively. That in turn makes your work more competitive. Forecite from Fastcase solves a problem with keyword search. With keyword searching, you'll only get back cases or statutes that use the words that you pick. Sometimes the seminal case doesn't actually use those words. Sometimes the most important case uses different terminology. So keyword search is fundamentally limited. Here's how Forecite from Fastcase solves that problem. Forecite actually looks through your search results and does immediate citation analysis. It looks through all of the results and looks at all of the results, all the cases cited in those results. It compares the list of frequently cited cases against your results list, and then tries to find cases that are cited a lot by the results list but aren't included in the results list. It suggests these right at the top. You don't have to do anything to turn this feature on. It basically sits and runs in the background, and it only returns suggestions when there's frequently cited cases that might be germane to your research. Otherwise, you won't see anything at all. Forecite is available for free from Fastcase, so you don't need to do anything or subscribe to anything new. Perhaps a good example will help. There's a doctrine in federal jurisdiction called Younger abstention. It's named after a case called Younger versus Harris. It basically means that federal courts who are deciding a case that turns on a state law issue will basically hold off on deciding the case until a state court decides that issue. If you do a search for Younger abstention, you'll get a lot of cases that use that doctrine, but you won't get Younger versus Harris. Younger versus Harris doesn't use the word abstention, and so when you search for Younger abstention, you don't get the seminal case of Younger versus Harris. That's where Forecite from Fastcase kicks in. When you run that case law search for Younger abstention, Fastcase reads through the results, automatically finds that all of those cases cite to Younger versus Harris, and then suggests Younger versus Harris at the top of the list. It's a huge time saver. Sure, you could read through all of those cases, and you could make that table for yourself and see which cases are cited a lot. Forecite from Fastcase does that automatically. It saves you that step and makes your research faster and more effective right away. It basically helps you find cases that you would otherwise miss. So Forecite from Fastcase is designed to make your legal research more effective, more competitive, and to get beyond this kind of old limitation of keyword search. It's exactly the kind of smarter legal research tool that we at Fastcase love. We're so excited about this feature. We're really happy to launch it. We hope you enjoy it too.